Welcome to Minity Maths. In this video we're going to go through the key 2D shape properties you need to know for exams. If you're doing GCSE Maths, this is basically your must-know checklist for shape questions. We'll cover triangles, quadrilaterals, polygons, and circles, and the key properties you're expected to remember. If you need more in-depth explanations for each shape, check out the video links provided. Let's start with triangles. First rule: the angles in a triangle always add up to 180 degrees. Now the main types you need to know. Equilateral triangle. All sides are equal. All angles are equal. Each angle is 60 degrees. Isosceles triangle. Two equal sides. Two equal angles. Scalene triangle. No equal sides. No equal angles. Right-angled triangle. One angle is exactly 90 degrees. The other two add up to 90 degrees. Next up, quadrilaterals. Shapes with four sides. Key fact: all quadrilaterals have interior angles adding up to 360 degrees. Now the main ones. Square. Four equal sides. Four right angles. Opposite sides are parallel. Rectangle. Opposite sides are equal. Four right angles. Opposite sides are parallel. Parallelogram. Opposite sides are parallel and equal. Opposite angles are equal. Rhombus. All sides are equal. Opposite angles are equal. Diagonals bisect at 90 degrees. Trapezium or trapezoid. At least one pair of parallel sides. And remember, a square is also a rectangle and a rhombus, but with extra restrictions. Now for polygons. A polygon is just a shape with straight sides, equal angles and equal sides. Key rule for interior angles. Use this formula, n-2 times 180 degrees, where n is the number of sides. Examples: pentagon equals 5 sides. Hexagon equals 6 sides. Heptagon equals 7 sides. Octagon equals 8 sides. Nonagon equals 9 sides. Decagon equals 10 sides. For regular polygons, all sides are equal, all interior angles are equal, all exterior angles add up to 360 degrees. Now circles. These always come up. The key thing you need to know for circles is that pi, shown by this symbol, equals approximately 3.14. Key terms. Circumference equals the distance around the circle. Here's the formula to find the circumference. Pi times the diameter. Radius, distance from the center to the edge. The formula is diameter divided by 2. Diameter, across the circle through the center. The formula is 2 times the radius. And finally, to find the area of a circle you multiply pi by the radius squared. Looking at these formulas, can you figure out any alternatives? Put your answers in the comments. Finally, try to remember these exam tips. Always label equal sides and angles clearly. State the property, not just the answer. For example, angles in a triangle add up to 180 degrees. Remember to use the degrees symbol. Check parallel lines for alternate and corresponding angles. Now have a go at these practice questions to test your knowledge. Pause the video while you answer them. Thanks for watching Minity Maths. Subscribe for more maths videos.